In this video, I'll be showing how to place a washer fluid reservoir filler neck on a Nissan Sentra. It is located in the engine bay. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open my hood and locate my front engine bay trim. I'm going to start off here in the corner. Now set these aside. I'm going to go ahead and locate two 10mm bolts. Here's one. Near the air tube, there's the other one. Set these aside. Now go ahead and lift your cover up and set it aside. Now I have access to the Phillips head screw and the filler neck. They're located near the hood rod. Remove that. Quick note before you remove this, ensure your washer fluid level isn't above the filler neck to avoid a mess. Now that our screws removed, we could go ahead and grab a trim tool and pry the clip up. Now we could pull up our filler neck. Simply grab it and just pull. We'll have a rubber gasket, inspect it, and set it aside. And here's our filler neck. Inspect the rubber gasket. To install, simply line it up and push down. Now to install our clip, simply push in and align it with the hole. Now for our screw. Push down and screw in. Should clip in like that. Make sure it's secure. Now we go ahead and reinstall our cover. Slide it over and align it with the holes on the grill and bumper for our push pin clips. Now we go ahead and install our push pin clips. Simply push down until you hear the click. And now for our last one. Now I'm going to install my two 10mm bolts. I'll just be snugging them down. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go ahead and fill up your reservoir up and ensure it's not leaking from the rubber gasket. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.